Hey everybody! Alright, so today we're going to be talking about time signatures and playing in something called 6/8. So we've learned about time signatures a little in the past, but up until now we've only played in 4/4, which is where we're counting 4 quarter notes, right? Right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Or the equivalent of whatever those 4 quarter notes are, right? 4 quarter notes could equal 8/8 notes, 16/16 notes, right? Remember that lesson, right? You can go back to that, right? Where we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and, right? That's all in 4. What we're going to do today is called 6/8, which means we're going to be counting 6/8 notes. So how do we count 6/8 notes? Well, there's a few different ways. Let's count the 8th notes in our normal beat, right? In our normal 4/4 beat, we have 8/8 notes, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So we just counted 8/8 notes. So if we wanted to only count 6, we would just have to count a little bit less, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and then you go back. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. That's kind of weird to count, right? So in 6/8, we can actually also just count the numbers themselves. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just come back to it. Okay, so that's gonna be the easier way to play, and that's gonna be how we count it whenever we play a 6/8 beat. So for this 6/8 beat that we're gonna play, we're gonna have the bass on the 1 and the snare on the 4, which is gonna sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you notice it kind of flows, right? There's a lot more like of a groove to this, right? Now, once again, the bass is on 1, the snare is on 4, and we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Once you get that, we can start adding in some more kicks, like we can do with any of our other beats. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what that was, is I'm putting the bass on the 1 and the 2 now, okay? So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And obviously we'll have other fill lessons on the other kit, but when we're trying to basically put fills in, the main thing is to keep that counting going in our head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So wherever you stop, you can fill up the gap, right? We can stop on 4 and go 5 and 6 and do some fills with it, but we got to make sure we come back in on 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? The key is to keep that groove going, okay? So the beats I want you to practice for now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The standard, the one with the 2 kicks on the 1 and 2, so it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this beat right here. Wait, so is it? Which is going to be on the bass on the 1, the bass on the 3, and then the snare on the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And to slow all those beats down, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the other is okay, so that is an introduction to 6/8. Those are some 3 simple beats to get you started so that you can be jamming. And then lastly, the other thing you can do is I want you to practice going between 4/4 and 6/8. So 4/4 is, right? Right? So we transition on to 1. We play our full progression of 4/4, then we play our full progressions of 6/8. Okay? All right, thanks. Introduction to 6/8. I'll see you in the next lesson.